For making this knot, we need a rope. This is a quite small rope, and we put the left hand like this. We open the hands like this, with a little space between these fingers. If we are not able to do that, it's also acceptable to do this way. We put the rope around the hands from above like this, and we turn it 3 times around our hands without pulling too much. Then the third time we put the rope like this around this finger like this in the back of the loops right here, and we put it here between the rope and the hand, and we pull, not too much, okay? Then what we have to do, we have to repeat 3 times this loop. You see, it's around all the loops. Another time. Okay, now there are 3 times. What we have to do is to put the rope inside this part like this, inside the loops, near the finger here. Then we are able to put away the rope little by little. We have to hold the loops, and we put the rope in the back like this, over these loops, and inside these loops here. We take a rope and we do this movement 3 times. Okay. We don't have to pull too much, otherwise it's very difficult to order the knot. And another time like this. The knot now is done. We have just to tie it. What we have to do? First of all, you see that there are 3 loops, 3 loops, 3 loops. The important thing is to hold the position of the rope. You see, 3, 3. It doesn't have to go like this. Our all have to stay in place. We take our standing part and we try to put it inside the knot like this. This is important because by tying the knot, it will tie also the standing part. And then we can start. How? We start like this, where we put the standing part, this one, you see, this one, we move and we find the first loop. We put the loop in place, like this. We take this loop and we put it and we pull. Pull. And the knot is done. As you can see, there are 3, 3, 3,